How do you make every woman like you, and how do you win her over? How come they use these seduction techniques to hang out with beautiful women who are clearly too high for them, the unattainable? There are men who are not particularly attractive but seem extremely attractive to women, but why? What makes them so attractive? Is it his attitude, his physique, his sense of humor? Well, these are all qualities that make a person more attractive, but you probably already know that. In this video, I'll show you the biggest seduction secrets. Stay until the end, the last is the most important. Subscribe and activate the bell, and then I'll make sure you don't waste any more time trying to please a woman. First of all, we have to ask ourselves, what do all women want and like? The answer to that is, all women instinctively want protection and a feeling of security. In the past, being a strong and aggressive man was enough, but today you need many more skills to convey that you are a good protector and provider. You fall in love with the spirit, not the person. The first thing is to draw attention to yourself. You can't make anyone like you if they don't even know you exist. For example, you won't buy anything if you don't even know what is being sold. When you buy clothes, you go to clothing stores because you know what they sell there, and you go to the store that has the most beautiful clothes. With this analogy, it becomes clear that appearance is more important than you think, because how you are seen determines how you are treated. In this case, a clothing store has to decorate, advertise, use marketing strategies and, above all, sell good clothes. And all this to satisfy customers. For this reason, when it comes to your person, you have to take care of your appearance. Fortunately, making a good impression is easy. As I told you, try to make the spirit fall in love, not the person. Are there prejudices in the human mind? You can use this to your advantage. Some of them are, if you use a good perfume, women love it. Don't you know how much you love a man who smells good and want to be around him all the time? 2. Dress well. Wear clothes that fit you, that look good on you, and, most importantly, that you feel comfortable in. Look for videos on what clothes might suit your style. Try different combinations until one meets your needs. The world is not closed to you. 3. Pay attention to your personal hygiene. Brush your teeth. Bad breath is the best. It scares away all the women there are. Don't forget to shower and do your hair well. 4th, take care of yourself. A healthy body is often considered an attractive feature. But that doesn't mean you should become a bodybuilder. Start with the basic, healthy choices in your daily life and then work your way up to the others. A healthy lifestyle allows you to demonstrate maturity and responsibility, which are attractive qualities to a potential partner. These are qualities that everyone notices at first glance. And together they make the ideal mix to please anyone. Try them and you'll get looks and comments about how good you smell or how well some of your clothes look on you. Try it and tell me how it goes. 2. Give a woman a reason to like you. You have to give her reasons when you walk into the store that caught your attention. You go into a store where you want beautiful, quality clothes at an affordable price and, most importantly, to be treated well. All of this motivates you to buy. But if you are treated badly when you enter, the clothes are of poor quality and, what is worse, they are very expensive. No matter how good the store looks, you will not buy anything there, so as a man you have to work on the product you are offering, in this case, yourself. Your personality will speak for itself. It has to be an attractive personality. A unique and attractive personality is the key to winning friendships and maintaining lasting relationships. The ability to communicate naturally, a good sense of humor and confidence make you a magnetic, infectious and attractive personality. These are qualities that give you the ability to inspire and fascinate others. Make them feel attracted to you. If you are wondering why I like it, you simply have a lot of reasons to answer it. 3. Tell me who you hang out with and I'll tell you who you are. Would you buy a pair of underwear at a poultry store? No, right? The key is to be surrounded by people who make us extremely attractive. In one study, different groups of people were shown two photos of the same person, one of which was the person alone and another of him in a group of friends. The result was that people found him much more attractive when he was surrounded by people. One of the golden rules of attraction is that no matter how hard you pursue someone, they will not fall head over heels in love with you. We are usually seduced by people who have great social value and are liked by others. That is, they have an active social life because their value is partly reflected in the opinions of others. 4. Women want what they don't have. If there is one thing beautiful women have in abundance, it is men who beg for them. Men who believe that if they give them all their attention, do them favors and are always there for them, one day they will get their attention. And these can be good couples. Maybe they even become friends, but the fact that they are always available is boring, and that is why things like infidelity happen. On the contrary, if you are unavailable to women who are used to receiving attention, you automatically become more attractive than the rest, because women want what they don't have. They say that forbidden things arouse curiosity. There is nothing sexier than that woman or man who is unattainable for us. However, when we put it into practice, we realize that it is not as easy as it seems. You probably ignore hundreds of people every day. Are they all madly in love with you? Of course not. Because indifference has to be used in a certain way for it to work. Otherwise, it would be a sad, futile attempt to woo someone who will never notice us. For it to work, a previous interaction must have already taken place. For the indifference game to work, the girl must show some interest in you. Mysteriousness gives meaning to indifference, makes people wonder what you are doing, who you are with and when you will respond. Make them imagine what you are doing and what your life is like. This creates even more expectations. Indifference is only possible when one reduces to zero the fear and worry of losing the other. You must be willing to lose to win, because I ask you how to show indifference to someone who is so important to you that you would die of pain if you lost him. The inability to love without needing anything prevents him from falling in love with you, because all your gestures, actions and words are aimed at pleasing him. Whatever it may be and at whatever cost. Remember, you must not care if she underestimates you or doesn't talk to you for days. What matters to you is that they fall in love with you. The problem arises when you stop caring about yourself and start caring more about the other person. That's the answer to why indifference doesn't work with some people. It's because you value them more than you value yourself. You have to be willing to lose someone in order for them to value and love you. And that lack of fear of losing yourself is partly why you're so addicted to someone. Indifference works when it's lived, not when it's faked. When you realize a relationship isn't working when both of you aren't pedaling, there's nothing you can do, no matter how hard you pedal and try, if the other person isn't involved. When you lose the fear of losing the person you like, you'll notice the difference because you're not pretending to be interesting. You'll exhibit genuine indifference, not as a strategy, but as a result of your personality. That's the big difference between faking a behavior and feeling like that behavior is part of you. The first doesn't produce results and the second produces devastating results. Remember, not everything happens overnight, but it's all a process of continuous improvement. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Would you help me out a lot? Activate the bell, give it a like and I'll read from you in the comments.